Hello and welcome to our new video presentation of what's new in our version 12 for JMS. This video will help demonstrate the new functionalities of JMS. We suggest you listen to the whole video to better get to know the new functions. If need be, don't hesitate to click pause and come back to the video at a later time. We begin by showing you the new inventory product price labels. It is now possible to print price labels for a given location and also for products that have changed prices. To access the proper screen, go to Inventory, Products, Printer, Labels, Price Labels. 3 label models are available. Select the one that is needed, then click Next. By selecting the desired label model and clicking Next, the template will appear. Click on the labels that were already printed in order not to reprint them, and click Next. Choosing the label's printer preference. Filters are available for generating the printing of labels. Showroom, if checked for showroom, section in the store. Selection criteria can include stores, suppliers, line codes, sublines, and products. The number of labels by product, the number of labels by product or according to quantity on hand. Results are based on the effective prices from the date shown on screen. Printing can be done in the daily procedures. The system displays products according to the selected parameters. It will show you quantities on hand and quantities to print. You can do a search for specific products if required, or just click Preview to visualize your label prior to printing. Here are the new functionalities for invoicing. It is now possible to select the desired number of decimals of the unit pricing in invoicing, either 2 or 3 decimals. To access the configuration, go to System, Parameters, and Invoicing. Click the triangle to change. Select the option of 2 or 3 decimals and click on the check mark to save. The system rounds the net unit price to 2 decimals prior to calculating the extended price. Rounding to 2 decimal places only affects the sales price. Setting the number of sales receipts. Go to System, Stores, General Parameters. It is now possible to configure the number of sales receipts you want for each store. Enter the desired number of copies in the Number of Sales Receipts field. In our new version, you have the option to reprint a cash receipt. To access this, go to Invoicing and Invoicing Tools. Find and select the invoice, click on the printer, and select Print Invoice. When the pop-up screen appears, select the Cash Invoice option and then print.
Deleting a line in invoicing. When 2 or more identical products are part of the invoice and you wish to delete one of the lines, the system now allows you to delete a selected line. To remove a line, click once to select it. Press and hold down the Control button, then press Delete on your keyboard.
Please note that from now on, our standby invoices have been renamed quotations. The customer order screen allows you to book products even though they may no longer be available for sale. They won't be deducted from the inventory until the invoice has been charged, as long as no amount has been specified as shipped. The order can be modified. The order does not create an accounting entry, nor will it affect the general ledger or accounts receivable. To access the configuration, go to System, Stores, General Parameters for customer orders available via the invoice. Select the correct store for which you wish to indicate the first number in the sequence of customer orders and enter the number in the field. To assign rights to use the barcode reader, select the options you wish to assign. A green check mark will indicate that the right has been granted. To access the configuration, if the barcode is used, go to System, Stores, Barcode. Once the order is chosen, it becomes possible to print a picking list. Note that a signal will be sent to barcode readers when the invoice is placed on order through the invoicing. The picking list is available with the purchase order. Printing the picking list is optional and must be configured under the following System, Stores, General setting. The picking list will be printed if the checkbox is selected. If the box is unchecked, the picking list will not be printed. For our clients that do not use the barcode, here is how you create a customer's order. Create a regular invoice, and rather than clicking on Invoice, click Next and Order. Under Invoice Tools, an invoice type has been added called Order. Filters have also been added to reflect different order statuses. When stock has been chosen and quantities are available, we can return to the invoicing screen, enter the customer's number. You will then see the indicator blinking. Hit Ctrl 5 and confirm the quantity to be shipped. Proceed to your invoice. For those that use the barcode, here is how you create a customer's order. Create a regular invoice, and rather than clicking on Invoice, click Next and Order. For video purposes, here is the barcode. The warehouse clerk will receive a signal from the barcode reader. He will select the picking option and enter the customer's order number in the reference field. He must scan the product and click on the invoicing button on the scanner. As a reference, under Invoice Tools, we have added an invoice type called Orders, where he can follow the status of all orders. Here is some additional information to add to your knowledge of JMS. When viewing a product on the invoicing screen, you will see that a new reserved status has been added. Therefore, stock will not be available for sale when reserved in a customer's order. Under Inventory and General Display, you will find in the search field the Reserved Search option. When in the Order Suggestion screen, the system will take into consideration quantities that have been reserved, therefore no longer available for sale. This will affect the quantities to be ordered.
Using the price checker function. Begin by configuring your price checker. Go to System, Stores. Under the Barcode tab, there is an option to activate the price checker. Under the General Parameter tab, identify your cash customer in the Price Checker Customer field. Then go to System, User, and create a showroom user. Notice the price checker screen. After a product has been scanned, you will see the line code, product description, and price. When an unknown product is scanned, the scanner will display a message to contact a clerk. The system will then send a message to the administrator, who will verify if it is necessary to assign a barcode to this product.